Do you ever feel pain on the outside of your hip or knee and wonder why it just won't go away? It might not be your hip joint at all. It could be a tight tensor fascia muscle pulling everything out of alignment. Today, I'm going to show you a powerful bow stretch that targets this muscle while protecting your lower back and knees. This is the same method I use with runners, cyclists, and hikers to relieve runners' knee and snapping hip syndrome, and in just 5 minutes, you'll learn exactly how to position your body, avoid common mistakes, and unlock more hip mobility step by step. The tensor fascia latae starts at the front of your outer hip, runs down the side of your thigh, and connects to a strong tendon called the iliotibial tract. That tendon continues past your knee, attaching to the top of your shin bone. So when this muscle gets tight, it can affect your hip, your knee, and even your lower back. What causes it to tighten? Long hours of sitting, repetitive sports like running, hiking, or cycling, and over time you might notice snapping in your hip, aching along the outside of your knee, or lower back pain. Before we start, a quick safety note. Skip this stretch if you feel pain in your lower back or knees while doing it, and keep your abs tight at all times to protect your spine. Here's how to do the tensor fascia bow stretch. Step 1. Set up your starting position. Kneel facing away from a wall with your toes touching it. Bring your left leg forward so your foot is flat on the floor and your shin is vertical. Lean slightly forward and place your torso on your left thigh. Step 2. Shape the bow. Slide your right knee toward the wall, keeping your shin against it. Bend your right knee to 90 degrees. Now slide your right foot about 30 centimeters, or 12 inches, to the left along the wall. Tighten your abs, place your hands on your left knee, and lean your torso slightly to the left. Your legs and torso should now form a bow shape. Step 3. Stretch. Slowly straighten your arms without arching your back or bending your hips. Continue until you feel the stretch along the outside of your thigh. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds. Step 4. Add resistance. Push your right knee gently into the floor. While pressing your foot against the wall, hold for another 5 to 10 seconds. Step 5. Deepen the stretch. Straighten your arms just a little more, keeping your back flat, until you reach a new end point. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds. Repeat this whole sequence 2 or 3 times. Avoid these common mistakes: overarching your lower back, flexing your hips, skipping the bow shape setup, or not bending your knees enough. Pro tip: if you don't feel the stretch, your knees may be too far from the wall. Move them closer and try again. And that's the tensor fascia bow stretch, a targeted move to open your hip, ease knee strain, and improve lower body movement. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and check out my next video on IT band release. It's the perfect follow-up to this stretch.